How to fix error _no _net _or _bat path on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix error _no _net _or _bat path on Windows 10. 1. Scan and remove infected viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Verify then fix potential network issue. 3. Update your Windows PC and device drives, using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide.